With the perfect balance of performance and design, Urban Surfaces GlueDown flooring provides the natural look of wood and a hard surface flooring alternative. In this demonstration, we'll be using Level 7's Kenwood, a rich brown tone that brings rustic, time-worn beauty to a space. Before you begin installing, visit our website to read the complete GlueDown installation guide located on our Resources tab. This video will be broken up into 4 steps to maximize your installation success and flooring longevity. Gather the necessary materials and tools in order to properly prep your subfloor and install your flooring. You'll need a utility knife, pencil, measuring tape, chalk line reel, a carpenter's square, flooring adhesive, primer, square notch trowel, a level, and a 75 to 100 pounds roller. Preparing your subfloor is a crucial step to ensure your installation goes smoothly. Making sure they're clean, flat, and as moisture-free as possible. When cleaning, you'll want to make sure all debris and protrusions are swept away, ensuring your surface is as spotless as possible. Using a level, measure the deflection or curvature to ensure the subfloor is level within 3/16 in a 10-foot span. Subfloor should not slope either upward or downward more than ½ an inch per 6-foot span. If it slopes down or has holes, fill it in with a Portland-based self-leveler. If it slopes upward, use a concrete grinder to level it out. Before applying adhesive, we recommend coating your subfloor with Tailor Enhance. This will encapsulate existing adhesive residue and ensure surface bond. ASTM standard F710 requires moisture and pH tests to ensure your concrete substrate is suitable for installation. Moisture test results must not exceed 85% RH or 8 pounds per 1,000 square foot over 24 hours. pH must result between 5 and 9 to avoid alkali damage. Refer to the installation guide document to determine if your subfloor has been prepared properly. Once your subfloor is ready, it's time to plan the installation. To determine how much flooring is necessary for your project, find the area of the room by multiplying both the length and width of the space. Then divide the area by the square feet provided on the box. This will give you an idea of approximately how many boxes you will need for the installation. Urban Surfaces recommends ordering between 5 to 10% more material to account for cutting waste. While staging the boxes, check to make sure the batch numbers match to ensure a seamless installation. Acclimate the boxes in the installation environment for 48 hours, recommended at a temperature between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting up a flooring guideline for your starting row will be important for a successful installation. Determine the placement of your guideline taking into consideration the width of your edge rows. The edge row are the first and last rows closest to the starting wall. They account for wall deviation and must not be shorter than 3 inches on both sides. Once guideline is determined, set the starting row using a chalk line reel. Step 4. Flooring installation. Once you complete the first 3 steps, you're now ready to begin installing your Urban Surfaces GlueDown flooring. For this demonstration, we'll be doing a full spread of Urban 3010 flooring adhesive. For the adhesive pattern, use a trowel and spread adhesive evenly in a 45-degree angle. After spreading the adhesive, wait 45 to 90 minutes until there's a tacky touch and a change in color. Next, begin your starting row by laying your first plank against the wall along the guideline. Following the guideline is essential to ensure the installation remains square to the room. To finish the starting row, the last plank will need to be cut to size. If available, a guillotine may also be used for a quick precision cut. Repeat this process until you meet your edge row. For the edge row, determine the appropriate width and then modify the planks accordingly. To do this, lay the planks for your edge row on top of the starting row. Trace a line across these planks using a loose piece of flooring and cut. Install the planks for the edge row against the wall, making sure they are nice and snug, leaving no expansion gaps. Upon completing the installation, use a 75 to 100 pounds roller to secure the flooring. Clean your surface, and you've just successfully finished your installation of Urban Surfaces GlueDown flooring. Thank you for choosing Urban Surfaces as your modern flooring solution. For more information, visit our website at urbansurfaces.com, follow us on social media, or call us at 1-800-492-8722. We look forward to hearing from you.